Yesterday, the Assembly passed a bill to require the Port Authority to do an aircraft noise study. The bill was sponsored by myself and Assemblyman Curran, and working with Assemblywoman Titus on the other side of the aisle, we've gotten this piece of legislation passed. It had passed the Senate previously, so now it's on to the governor for his signature, and it also would need to pass in New Jersey. We've had some conversation with lawmakers in New Jersey. We think it has been or will be introduced shortly there, and really the goal is to elevate the discussion of the noise concerns that we've seen in western Long Island and Queens. There's been a huge increase of aircraft noise over our heads over the last few years, and we hope that doing this study will not only increase our conversations with the Port Authority of being more conscious of the flight paths they're using, but also will allow some federal funding to become available for mitigation measures.